How to build an affiliate marketing landing page with Cloud AI. That is what I want to teach you in this video. It's going to be simple and straight to the point. So ensure that you watch to the very end. I'm still your ad guy, Philip Digitals. So I want you to follow me through. So now I want to build an affiliate marketing landing page with Cloud AI. But the first thing we need to do is that we need to look at different example of affiliate marketing landing page that people are using. And the best place to check that is to go to ads library. Now, as an advertiser, I use ad library a lot. Ad library is where I go to check, the kind of ads that people are running, and that will give me an idea of how to also position myself and to get a good result. So just go to Google and type ads library. So when you get to ad library, click on it. So once you click on Art Library, I'm going to show you how to do it. So ensure that you change this location to Nigeria. So when you change Nigeria, then for this art category, choose all ads. Then type affiliate marketing. Type affiliate marketing here. Affiliate marketing. So you can do that for any other niche that you want to. So this tutorial will also help you in how to create landing page for other niche. So just come to Ask Library, type Nigeria, all ads, then put your niche there. So you're going to see different ads under affiliate marketing right here. Now this is Bruno. Bruno is the top guy, and many of you might know him. So let's check the kind of landing page he's using, right? So let's click on Learn More. So the landing page that he's using is going to appear to us. So let's see. Okay, network. Okay, let me click this one. Okay, awesome. Now this is the landing page. In fact, I can see that this landing page was created by Claude AI. There's a 50% chance that this landing page was created by Claude AI. So this is a simple landing page for collecting leads, right? And this is actually a very good one. So this is a one example. So let's look at another example. Now, so just look for someone that you know, okay, this person is a top guy in your niche. If they are running ad, you can now replicate what they are doing. Because the truth is, when you follow those that know road, you also is going to what? You're going to, you know, you are going to have a good success. So let's see this one. Let's see. But I don't think this one is leading to a landing page. But let's see. This is not leading to a landing page. So let's check another one. Bruno ad is too much here. Bruno is running a lot of ads right now, right? So, but that's fine. Let's look for that person. Now this is Kelvin, but he's not using landing page. It's straight to WhatsApp. Okay. Um, all the ads I'm seeing here are just Bruno. But let's try and check. This is also Bruno. Bruno is running a lot of ads right now, and that's how people, win in this online space by running a lot of ads. So if you want to win, now this is also an affiliate marketing ad. So let's see this landing page. Okay, they're not using landing page. Okay, this is Jack 2 Precious. Let's see. Let's see what Jack. Okay, this is another ad by Jack 2 Precious. This ad is for ebook, right? Ebook. In fact, I can tell you that this landing page also was created by Cloud AI, right? So that was another one. Then let's look for one last one. Let's for one last one. Okay, so this is also an affiliate marketing ad. Um, Affiliate motto. So let's see what we have here. It's not loading right now. Let me click again. Anyway, let's just stick to um what was his name? Bruno. Okay. Okay, this is Bruno. So what you just need to do is just you have to screenshot this, chance screenshot this, then you send it to screenshot this. How to let me screenshot this. I use this sniping tool. Okay, so I'm just going to do something like this. Okay, so I'll save this. I'll name it Bruno. Bruno, we are sorry, but we just want to use your landing page as example. So go to ChatGPT. I'm using pro version, but you can also use free version for this. So we are going to upload the screenshot. Okay, Bruno, right? I name it as Bruno, should be here. Okay, open. So you can just say, I want to create a simple landing page with Cloud AI. The image I attach is a sample affiliate marketing landing page for a free training. I need something like this. I need something like something. I need something like this setup. I need something like this also, right? Remember, remember this my landing page. So tell it what you want to use landing page for. My landing page is for capturing. My landing page is for capturing leads to my WhatsApp group. Give me a prompt I can give Cloud AI for the building of the landing page. For the building of the landing page, right? So ChatGPT is going to analyze the image, right? It's going to analyze the image and then give us a AI prompt that we can use. So this is it. So this is quite long, right? This is quite long. So but I'm going to copy everything. So from starting from here, yeah. So I'll copy this, then go to Cloud AI. Now I'm using free version, so you too can use free version. So I'll put this, then I'm going to allow it to work. Now I made a mistake. The mistake is that I should have told ChatGPT that I'll be running the landing page on system.io. So but it's fine. Let it build something for us and we'll see what it does. Let me pause this video, come back so that this video will not be too long. Okay. Okay, so Cloud AI is done with the design. Now, this is the design. Now, um, let me expand this so that you can see how it look like very well. Can see that this is actually very nice. But for you now, you might not like this headline. Now, if you don't like all of this headline, you now what I'm doing for you is just a sample, right? So you be the one to like tell the headline that you want, tell ChatGPT the headline you want, and all of that. Now, also, if you don't want this image, this video or stuff image, you can also tell Cloud that okay, you can tell it use this particular use this headline, right? So put the headline. Can also say remove. Can also tell it to remove what you don't want, right? Remove the move with the remove the video videos slash image section, right? I think that's the only thing I want to that's the only thing I want to edit in this video, in this landing page. Use another better headline that that make the visitors want to learn affiliate marketing. So that's the only editing I will do. Also remove the image and section. So once you do that, it's going to rewrite the code and give us a new landing page entirely. It will do the adjustment. So I'm going to pause this video again and come back when it is done. Okay, so Cloud AI has done the editing, free training. People are earning 100K to 500K monthly, promoting other people product. This free training show you exactly how, right? So I think I like that, and it has removed the video stuff. So I like all of this. So now the next thing we need to do is that we need to copy this, right? So when I copy, go back to ChatGPT, and since you are using system.io, tell ChatGPT that Cloud Cloud AI has created the landing page for me. Kindly refine the code. Kindly refine the code to fit systemi.io platform, because that is that is the platform I will be using to make the website functional. This is the code. So you paste the code, and ChatGPT is going to refine the code so it will fit in system.io. Now this is very important. Then you run it. So it's going to read the document and give you a very refined code that you can use. Okay, it's still working on it. Still working on it. So just give it some moment. Yeah, refining HTML code for system.io compatibility. That is what we want. So once ChatGPT has given us the code, we are going to be pasting the code on system.io, and I'll be showing you how to do that. This is quite slow. This is my network. I'm still waiting. Let me pause this video again so that this video will not be too long. Okay, so ChatGPT is done. So I'll just copy this code. So copy it, then go to system.io, right? I'll be using my account just to show you a sample. So let me go back, exist. So go to, once you are in your system.io, then go to site. You can see site here, go to site, then sales funnel. Now I have created about 3 funnels. Now this is a free account and you can only allow 3 funnels. So if you have not created any funnel, nothing is going to show here. But because I've created one before, right? So that's why I'm having this. So, but let me just edit this free template. Then I have a squeeze page and I have a thank you page, which is what I want. Then uh, edit page, edit page. Then once you are here, delete everything that is here. What I need a clean um I need a clean space, something like this. So once I have this, I will scroll down. You can see this raw HTML, drag it to this place, then click on this, then click on edit code, then kindly delete everything that is here, then paste what you have and click on save. So once you do that, you can see that automatically what you can see that ChatGPT has done some editing here. He has removed, he has able to change the, what's it called? The headline and all of that. So these are the things that you need to also check. But so as not to make this video too much. But this landing page is actually very good, right? This landing page is very good and very clean. But I don't want this video stuff because I don't have a video, right? So I'm just going to, I like this landing page and you can see that it's so nice and all of that. But let me tell ChatGPT that I don't I don't want the video section. Kindly remove it from the code. So now you can see that ChatGPT actually changed everything that we did. It changed the headline and all of that. So you have to check ChatGPT that don't change anything from whatever I'm giving to you. Just refine the code to fit in system.io. So it has done that. So this is the file here. I need to, I want to download this. This AI can misbehave sometimes. Give me the code here. Give me the code here so I can copy it. I will show you how to make the landing page functional. It's very simple. It's not something that is hard. Okay, so it's going to give me the code right here. So I have the code already, you know, written. So I'll go back to, I've copied it. I'll go back to this place. I'll click on the landing page, click on edit code, then I'm going to copy all of this and paste what we have next, then click on save. What has ChatGPT done like this? What have you done? What is this? So let's just use the previous one. ChatGPT is doing nonsense. Okay, so now how do I make this page functional? Actually, this, you can see that all these call to action is not functional and you want to put your link. So what you just need to do is that click on it, then edit code. You go to the code section, then you have to now look at it. You have to look at where they put call to action, especially where um reserve my free spot, right? So what we are looking for, reserve my free spot, reserve my free spot. So you have to look at it. I have to be looking at it one by one. Okay, reserve my free spot. Can see there, reserve my free spot. So you put your link here. You put your WhatsApp link here. So let me do an example. Let me look for a WhatsApp link. I think I have one here. So let me just find one. Let me just find a link. Oh, cool. So let's copy this link and go back here. Is that my free spot? Then I'm going to, you know, change this to this. Yeah, that's it. So click on save. Okay, what change is the name, right? So let's go back again. Edit space or save. Can press this. So let's. It is the button gangan that we want. Edit. So is that my free spot? Let's go to that side where we see reserve my free spot. Okay, so this is to reserve my free spot, right? So this is the link area. This is the link area. This this is it here. Then let's put that let's put that there. Now let me save this to show you that it's working already. I'll click on save, then I click on exist. Then let me copy this link because that's the link of the page, and let's check whether it's working. View. So and if I click on this, you can see that it's taking me to this group directly, taking me to the group. But if I click on others, because I've not remember I've not changed the call to action of others like this one now, like why listen to me. You can see that okay, no, that's not a call to action. Join group. You can see that it's not working, right? It's not working because there's nothing. Okay, it has automatically worked, changed. Wow, this is nice. I did not know. So it's working already because it's connected to each other. It's connected to each other. So they put their enter your details below to join the WhatsApp group. Let me see. You can see. Then they'll put their name and their stuff here. Let's see. Then they come to the group. So that's just how to build a landing page. So now I'm going to advise you that you don't build something that it will be so difficult for you to handle. You get just build something simple, right? So for me, now, if I want to build a landing page, I don't need to put this what's it called? Put in your name and all that. Since they're joining my group directly, I'll just remove all of these things. But if I do that in this video, it's going to take a lot of time. But I believe you have learned something. With Cloud AI, you can build a landing page and want to make it functional, just come to this place, click on edit, then go to that particular place you want to put your link, then put your link there, and you'll be able to um, edit it. So you want to learn how to um, install Pixel and use the landing page to run at, check the link, check the description. You're going to see the link of those tutorial there. See you in the next one.